The next topic is calculation of interest on drawing when the amount is withdrawn randomly from the business by the partner. No fixed date. The amount withdrawn by the partner for his personal use randomly throughout the year. For instance, I'm giving you one example. Suppose our accounting year starts from 1st April 2019 and closed on 31st March 2020. It means April to March. In this accounting period, if any partner, suppose A's drawings is like this. On 1st July 2019, A has withdrawn 10,000. On 30th September, he has withdrawn 20 again. On 31st December 2019, he has withdrawn 5,000. And 15th February 2020, he has withdrawn 30,000. Rate of interest on drawing is at the rate of 10%. Rate of interest on drawing is at the rate of 10%. Then how to calculate interest on drawing? There are two methods. One is simple, another is product method. First of all, I am going to apply the simple method. Simple method. The amount which is withdrawn on 1st July 2019 and our accounting year closed on 31st March 2020. So this amount is used by the proprietor from 1st July 2019 to 31st March 2020. So July to March, total month is 9, which is used by the proprietor for his personal use. This amount is used by the proprietor for his personal use for 9 months. Now second amount is withdrawn on 30th September. So 30th September to 31st March, it's a 6 months. Then 31st December 2019 to 31st March 2020, this amount is used for 3 months. 15th February 2020 to 31st March 2020, this 30,000 is used for 1.5 months, means February 15 days and March whole month. So 1.5. Now interest. Now I'm going to calculate the interest of the separate drawing. 10,000 is the amount of drawing, rate of interest is 10%, and interest will be calculated for 9 months, 9 upon 12. So interest is 750. Second drawing is 20,000, 10 by 100 is the rate of interest, and this will be calculated for 6 months, 6 by 12, it is 1,000. Third drawing is 5,000, rate of interest into 3 upon 12. 3 months, 120. Then 30,000 is the drawing, rate of interest is this, into 1.5 months. So 1.5 upon 12, 375. So total interest is 2,250. This method is simple method. I have applied the simple method. It's a very simple method. Now coming to the another method, which is called product method. Under the product method, 2 column will be the same, third column will be also be the same. These 3 column is same as simple method. Date, drawing and month. Date, drawing and month. These 3 column will be same. Now fourth column will be the column of product. I'm going to change from here. So I'm going to multiply drawing and month. 20,000 into 6, 5,000 into 3, 30,000 into 1.545. So 10,000 into 9, 90, 20,000 into 6, 1,20,000, 5,000 into 3, 15, 30,000 into 1.545. Now I have done the addition of these 4. So the addition is 2,70,000 is the total of the product column. So interest on A's drawing is equal to 2,70,000 is the total of the product into rate of interest into 1 by 12. This will be calculated for 1 month. When the product method is going to applied, we calculate the interest for 1 month, because we are watching the drawing of A of for a 1 month. So divided by 1 by 12. So it is 2250. So both the amount is same. You may apply this method, simple method, or you may apply this method, whichever is best for you or convenient for you. But the time factor is very important. If product matter takes less time to calculate the interest on drawing, then we will apply the product method, because time is very important in our examinations. So simple method and product method. For convenient wise, you have to see it, but choose the best one while solving the question, because time is very important. If the product method take less time to solve the problem, you apply the product method. Okay.